Welcome back to another episode 2 of Python practice series. In this video, we are exploring the basics of machine learning using Python's popular scikit-learn library. I will walk you through the classic beginner project using the iris dataset, showing you exactly how to split your data, train a logistic regression model, and test its accuracy. Let's get started. Here, import numpy as np and import matplotlib.py.as plt so that we don't have to write a numpy over and over again, similar to this. And from here, code 1 to 7, code line from 7. It's like gathering the tools, the codes. At the very top, import and from, the code is grabbing all the pre-built tools it needs from a toolbox instead of writing a complex math from scratch. It imports libraries like scikit-learn with the popular machine learning library in Python to do ability. So on the code line 9 to 11, here we have the iris dataset, like loading a data. This loads the famous iris dataset, which contains measurement of 150 different iris flowers, petal length, petal width, etc. And this X iris, Y iris data. This is target. This is data, and this from target. Yeah. Think of these X as a clues. X iris data is clues, and Y iris the target as a correct answer. And here we are on the code line 13. We train and test split. We train and we split the data here. Where this line randomly split the data into two groups, training set and the test set. Training set and the test set. The test size is 0.3. It means the code to set aside 30% for this. Alright, then for code 14 and 15, 16 and 17. It's like scalar, like labeling the playing field, like scaling. Sometimes data measurement come in a very different size, like millimeter versus centimeters. If we don't understand, the model might get confused and think large numbers are more important. This section standardizes the measurement, so everything is on the same scale, making it much easier for the model to learn accurately. On the line 18 and 19 here, the actual training of the model happens. Like training the model, this in this case, it is a logistic regression model, which is great at sorting things in categories. Here, log, rake, fit, xtrain, ytrain. This model looks all the practice clues, xtrain, and the correct answer, ytrain, to figure out the patterns. Here we have xtrain, this clues, and the correct answer. We train the model here, and at the 21 line, we have the y-predict, log-rake, the predict x-test, which means we do the prediction and the evaluation. The model takes the final and it look at the test clues, x-test. It's like test clues and x-test, and make it best cases on y-predict and to see how many it got right. And finally, it trained the final score out of 1.0. For example, if we got output at 0.95, accuracy at 0.95, it means we got 95% of the guess correct. Let's run the program. Here we have run the Python file. We got 1.0. This means we are 100% accurate.